So guys, it is like not even late yet. It's only like I don't know. I think it's like it's 7:18. I think. Oh, I was so close. It's only 7:17. Anywho, so right now this has been sitting out for a little bit, and it is this like mega flirt noise putty that I've been playing with. Yeah. And it only cost. I forgot. I think it cost. Yeah. No. Oh yeah. It costs $5.99. Yeah. And then yeah. So. So this isn't sitting out, just like this. It's been sitting out for like a few minutes already. And it's all started like, it was like about like this size. Now it got huger. So, let's see. It's just like, oh my gosh, guys, it's all the way up here. It just broke. So guys, here. So you know why it calls these noise putty? See right there, a noise putty. It's because of this. Okay, that didn't work. That didn't. It makes fart sound. Ew. So. This is kind of hard of holding on camera. Like it's hard of holding one. Like I'm holding this with one hand, and I'm gonna use my elbow to get it out. This is like odor like slime, so I'm just gonna keep it up. It's already going down really fast. It's all the way down here. I can like do it really big, guys. It's all the way up here, and then all the way down here. It's like starting to do this. Yeah. I just dropped it on purpose. Mom to buy me a nail. Right. A nail. I'm gonna ask Mom to buy some glue so I can glue after nail. Yeah, I got Schubert's fake nails. Show them. Here, I'm gonna get close to them.
This one fell off, so I need to get glue.
Yeah, she's trying to find the glue. I don't wear fake nails. They're cool. Like at first I hated them, and then they got, I don't really like them. I wear them, but then I just take them off. They hurt. I don't like them. They're gross. But then I put them back. Even so you guys can wear them. Guys, it's my hand friend. It's like, guys, it's like. Actually, guys, it was actually stuck. Okay, and so in the comment below. Comment if you know what 12 times 12 is. It's really easy. But comment if you know it. I'm not going to say it because you have to comment. And then my next video, I will tell you guys. I'll try to remember. I'll just look at all my videos first. I always look at my last video and see, oh, look at that's what I did last time. What should I do this time? So, yeah. I'm showing you my slime. So guys, for some reason, you know how it says, oops, noise putty. This is not putty, guys. This is not putty. This is slime. This is literally jiggly slime. Let's get a picture with it. It just dropped. I'm not even showing my face. Who really cares about my face? I'm ugly. These are my feet. These are my feet. I have really small feet. So yeah. I like this. So guys, we have this like glass table, and I like it because then you can see through it. Guys, just like watch. Hold on. Move that over. Hello. Ow. Ow. So guys, we used to have like a big glass one, but I forgot what happened to it. And my dog, you know what my dog always used to do it? She really always used to go under it, and she always used to, like, if we had something she was under it, she really wanted it. She, like, sometimes she would, like, lick the table, go, like, it was really cute and funny. So, yeah. Because I really like this. I called you!
Mom, I'm texting you. Alright. When nobody's back home, can you give me a nail pack for me, please? Because Mom also owes me money because I always give her money.
I do Mom's chores, so I get money too. It's okay. I don't really.